Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. I hope this small painting vlog brings you a little joy and peace today. To be honest, every time I film and prepare to share my painting process with you, I don't know how to start talking about the technical side because mostly I just paint from my own intuition, simply following whatever inspired me in that moment. So for today's piece, I'm painting a forest nymph. If this is the first time you see my video, I want to introduce a bit that these themes like fairies, angels, nymphs are always an endless sort of inspiration for me. I think it's because I'm always been drawn to the romantic, the magical, the unseen. And yes, I'm definitely a dreamy soul. I truly believe in fairies, in magic, in angels. I believe we each have angels around us, guiding and protecting us. So, through my art, I want to share that belief and hopefully sprinkle a little bit of magic into your world too. Of course, if you love to believe in fairies like me too. There were times I doubted myself a lot. Will people get bored of me painting only dreamy portraits of nymphs, beautiful ladies in the forest? Will anyone care about these daydreaming ladies on canvas? But over time, I've learned to accept my own voice. Authenticity means letting my art speak for what I feel, not what I think everyone else wants. So I believe that when I create from that authentic place, my work naturally connects with those souls out there who share the same energy with me. This painting feels like a small breakthrough for me. I step out of my comfort zone and painted in a way that excited me most in the moment. I've always admired those vibrant, glowing portraits and landscape on Pinterest where simple faces or scenes become so dreamy, so poetic with full of vibrant colors. So this time I gave myself permission to play, placing warm and cool tones side by side, letting the light dance across the canvas. Working on a small gesso board also gave me the freedom to loosen up, focus less on the perfect details, and let the color lead the way. It was fun, truly fun. Because at the end of the day, isn't that the point? We paint because, firstly, it makes us happy. I keep reminding myself of this. Put the brush down, relax, and just simply enjoy. Confidence grows when you allow joy to guide your stroke. Art is not about perfection, it's about presence. It's about following the spark of excitement because that spark is your higher self whispering, "This is a way."
The sky reborn, golden threads and shadows torn, over hills the silence sings, rise to meet the light it brings. Hold on.
I absolutely love the final step, adding those sparkling details. It feels like giving the painting its final glow with flowers, sunlight, and sunbeams dancing through the leaves. To me, it's like adding a touch of magic.
When the heart is free in the dawn.
Thank you so much for joining me in this little painting vlog. Happy painting, and may this piece be a gentle reminder to trust your own creative spark and follow it wherever it wants to lead you.
Ancient